This is my cockatiel side. And these are my budgies. Hi guys. And this here, my girl, my cockatiel. Say hi. And she loves her new cage very much. Yeah, it's a great cage. I love this. How it latches on and off. I love the size. I love I could put all that stuff on the bottom. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and yet is spacious enough for them on the inside. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Pretty spacious for one cockatiel, I'd say. I'd say two would be a crowd, but she seems to really like it. I took the divider out, that way she can just run freely back and forth. She actually prefers a bedding and prefers to run around on the ground a lot of the time. So I actually just put the grill underneath this so she can have the floor to run around on. The grill probably doesn't feel too good on her feet. So,
Excelente manipulación, muy fácil a la hora de armar. Realmente un buen empaquetado, no vino nada, ningún tipo de afectación. Perfecto, se lo recomiendo 100%. Una jaula especial para canarios, cacatillos y otras especies de aves. Especial. 5 estrellas para el vendedor y 5 estrellas para la transportación también.
Bueno, quizá no se vea bien, pero sí, aquí está la jaula muy bonita, y ahí andan mis canaritos durmiendo, mis bebés. Me gusta el espacio y todo lo que tiene.